Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best oil additives in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best oil additives that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Lucas LUC10130 Synthetic Oil Stabilizer. Coming from one of the renowned brands when it comes to oil additives, the Lucas LUC10130 Synthetic Oil Stabilizer will improve the functionality and performance of the engine. The product is fit for diesel and gasoline engines, whether small, medium or large. According to the manufacturer, this product allows the engine to run smoother, quieter, and cooler. What's more, it extends life by as much as 50%. This is thanks to the protective elements found inside the additive. Other notable benefits from using the product include minimal dry starts, lower oil consumption, smoother ride, and reduced noise. Moving on at number 4. We have the ZADO OneStage Atomic Metal Conditioner Revitalizant. If you have witnessed a drop in power, a sluggish performance, or some smoke coming from the exhaust, then it's time you used an additive. This particular one is fit for most vehicles, whether sedans, SUVs, vans, light trucks or heavy-duty vehicles. It has a special formulation that provides extras protection to the engine parts. Furthermore, it is made of superior compounds that retain their integrity for a long time. Due to this, it will also work with synthetic oils, which have a longer lifespan. The additive has a smooth consistency for better penetration and blends easily with any oil. What's more, you need a small amount to see some improvements. The engine will rev better, produce lesser smoke, start better, and run smoother. At number 3, we have the RevX Stiction Fix Oil Treatment. Anyone searching for high-performance engine oil additive should go for the RevX Stiction Fix Oil Treatment. It works with any engine oil, both standard as well as synthetic oil. Furthermore, it is okay in a diesel or gasoline engine. The product is safe for standard as well as high-performance engines. It enhances the flow of the oil in the engine for superior performance. This means the parts move better and faster. On top of that, it has protective agents that will eliminate varnish, gunk, clogs, dirt and other things. These 2 bottles offer you 4 fluid ounces and will treat 12 quarts of oil. Other reasons why this product is good to include eliminating noisy tappet noise, knocking, cold start issues, and stiction in HEUI injectors. At number 2, we have the Tribotex Oil Additive Car Engine Treatment. Tribotex Oil Additive Car Engine Treatment is based on a revolutionary technology that seeks to enhance engine performance and life. The product is fit for most oil types and will work well in both gasoline and diesel vehicles. The product comprises synthetic nanoparticles that infiltrate deep inside the moving parts. In so doing, it eliminates particles that may be hindering movement, contaminants, dirt, varnish and more. Additionally, the compounds improve the lubrication, and this allows for smoother running. Other than providing better lubrication and protection, the compound also reverses wear. This happens when the active compounds embed themselves on the pitting or small scratches. And finally at number 1, we have the AI Innovations LUC10002 Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. The best oil additive, AI Innovations LUC10002 Lucas will improve and stabilize engine oil. It is fit for light to heavy-duty oil and doesn't interfere with the characteristics or functionality. Instead, it boosts the performance, and this is evidenced by an improvement in power, response, torque, and other things. Situations that may call for this product to be used include excessive ticking noise, knocking, smoke, especially during startup, noisy engine, or some oil burning smell. It does require lots of experience or skill to use. Simply follow the instructions found on the pack. The oil stabilizer comes in a 1-gallon container. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.